Today we're going to be shooting the 455 Webley and Scott. This is a 1915. It has been shaved down to 45 ACP, but first we're going to have to make some ammo. We're also going to need some bullets, powder, and primers. Also got to have some brass. And you'll need a kid. This one should do. Deprime some cases. Get your kid involved. Time for the tumbler. About an hour of this and we'll be ready. All right, it's been tumbling for a couple hours. Time to dump all the media. I'm gonna do this a different way than I normally do. It's not too bad, that worked. There's our brass. Time to prime them. Prime some cases. Time to get the kid priming.
God.
What's wrong, Jimmy? There we go. We've got a bunch ready for the Webley and Scott. We'll see you at the range. Welcome back to Anything Outdoors with Steve. Today we're shooting another obsolete firearm. This is the 455 Webley and Scott break top revolver. This one was produced in 1915 and it is the Mk VI. So we'll go ahead and shoot some rounds and have a good time at the range.
And this guy's a World War I?
World War I, commonly issued with the soldiers. This is a 1944 number 4 Mark I long branch, and this is a 1915 Webley and Scott. Very few of these made it to the United States, and the ones that did were typically shaved down on the cylinders for the 45 ACP, but you cannot shoot the full powered 45 ACP because it's too much pressure for these things. They typically are only able to handle about 15,000 PSI, and your 45 ACP can be as high as 21,000 PSI. For reference, we've got the 22 long rifle, 22 Magnum, 32 H&R Magnum, 9mm, 40 caliber, 357 mag, 44 mag, and the 45 ACP. This 45 ACP has been reloaded with lower pressures to safely shoot in the Webley and Scott Mk VI here. All right, let's go ahead and load this guy up. So you simply drop in these little half moon clips right in the revolver here, and index your cylinder and you're ready to shoot. .606, that's perfect. Your standard Webley and Scott would shoot about 640 feet per second. Oh, just to the left, I could see it. There we go. Yeah, it's shooting left. Oh, and just so you can have a reference of how this ejected the brass, you drop him out and you drop in 2 more moon clips. And the soldiers would typically have a pouch that would contain all the moon clips. I don't have any pouches, but that kind of gives you an idea. Dan's ready for some shots.
Cool.
All right.
Over the top!
Over the top, all right. It's a fun little revolver. Remember, it's shooting left.
Yes, it is. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, still hitting left.
Still hitting left.
Yeah. There you go.
I mean,
that was
way
top
left. Way
yeah,
left.
That was top
like
left
a good
right there.
10 inches left.
So wherever you're aiming, a little lower, a little more right. Oh.
That's it. All right, take that.
Click. All right, go ahead and break that open. This lever here breaks the revolver. You don't even have to tilt her back. It's got an ejector that ejects them.
Cool.
So just tilt it to the side and they pop right out.
Yeah.
And then drop in 2 more. Oops. Without dropping them on the ground. There you go, ready to go.
All right.
All right, let's load up some more and take some quick shots. I'll do a speed reload. I haven't practiced reloading this quickly, but I'll try to do a speed reload between and see how well I can do here. Let's see here. Over the top.
Yeah, it shoots high and to the left.
Yep. Yes, it's very high. Yeah, there we go. Oop, over the top. But it's at least ejects them quick. That's actually pretty fun. Very ingenious design for back in 1900s.
Yeah.
Early 1900s like that. 1915 is this one. But it's not the first version, Mark VI. So having that kind of top break, this is known as the strongest top break revolver.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
Strongest as most robust
Robust.
build?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
And be sure you index this cylinder. There you go. There you go.
That's the most robust?
That's the most robust. That's scary,
concerning.
isn't it?
That's a concern. Okay, so I'm gonna aim really.
And it is double and single action, so double action as
I'm
well.
gonna try one double action. So I'm gonna aim really low to the right.
There you go.
And that's it. Yeah. That was a little bit off.
And just the shakes of coffee are enough to send it off. There you go. Click.
No more Germans.
Yeah. There you go. And 6 more back in.
Machine guns firing.
Pop, pop, pop,
Come
pop, pop,
on.
pop, pop. There's 3.
Move forward.
Oh,
Move
man.
forward.
If only you had your pouches. There you go.
Medic.
Some of these rounds, Tyler himself has loaded.
Awesome.
How does that make you feel?
That makes me feel more certain. Okay, low and to the right. Not quite.
Click.
Cool.
Yeah, it's a pretty cool
What a
little
cool
revolver though.
Pistola.
Just push the button and then hold the barrel down. There you go.
Cool.
Plop, plop. That's really cool, isn't it?
Awesome.
Yeah, all greasied up.
Awesome opossum.
Nice.
Imagine charging the trenches
Yeah,
with that.
close range only.
Ooh.
Well, I mean, your standard pistol range is what, 7 yards is what they train,
Yeah.
and we're further than that.
Yeah.
So
You got to be right up.
yeah, you
smiling
got to
at
be
it.
right up close. This is your last second.